Hello friends, welcome to our workshop. Here we got water jet cut CNC machine, Wazer. It comes from our sponsors, Wazer. And in this video we're going to show you how it works. We're going to make some tests. We're going to show you its features. This video all about this machine. And first of all we need to find the best spot in this workshop. Well, I think this spot fits the best because it has water supply and also drainage for runoff. We're gonna install it right there. Okay, friends, we got the spot. We're gonna place it right here. And now we're gonna use the manual to set it up. And the manual is really cool. There is a step-by-step, nothing missing.
Everything is here.
Everything is here. Pretty easy. Just follow the manual. Yes. Well, as you have seen, these guys do everything for us. You don't need specialized crans or something tools to move it.
You don't need anything.
Yeah,
These guys thought about everything.
Yeah, you don't need anything. Yeah. Even one guy can move it easily, as you see. Look.
The water level is almost okay. Let's switch it for the first time. 3, 2, 1.
And what do you think?
I'm excited to see how it cuts metal.
And
like
also,
a butter. To continue, click OK.
Wait a minute. We have to put this nozzle back and try it one more time.
Here we have water signalization, and if we have ever leakage, it works like this. And we have also the SD card delivered together with Razer Pro, and we have to put it here, and okay, it's connected. As you see, the card is inserted, and now we will cut the first piece of the metal. Let's cut this one. File name couch or gauge jig. Okay, it will cut this piece here. And let's see what happens next. Let's select here. Prepare machine to cut. Yes, we have to close it. Prepare. Press start. Okay.
We see nothing, but I think the pressure is also okay. It must be here. It's okay. Okay, it's done. It's done. The first cut on this machine. You got the first cut. Really nice, guys. Look at this. So fine. First we're gonna try on this test piece and then cut on the steel. Now we're going to place this steel plate. It's already hardened stainless steel, really good quality. Gonna place it. Okay, it is done. Unfortunately, the abrasive ran out and I didn't cut it all through. Now we're gonna add this piece here in the corner and then we're gonna cut it with angle grinder. Amazing, look at this, guys. Just crazy. Titanium plate. This is our own project of knife. If you like this knife, we have blueprints for this knife and others on our website. We got here trailer for motorcycles. You can get also blueprints for this trailer. And finally, we have here holsters for calipers. These holsters made here in workshop. There's another video for this. And calipers, very good quality, accurate and big screen. All this stuff you can get on our website. Check them out. Link below in the description. Nice. Stainless steel. This is titanium plate, and look how clear it cuts. You see? We're just gonna grind it a little bit and then gonna assemble it and it's done. Really cool. As you have seen, friends, this machine is really useful, really cool. It can cut almost everything. Steel, stainless steel, titanium, aluminum, even stone, glass, anything it can cut. Just what you have to do is make some drawings on AutoCAD and just cut it. And this knife was a good for example. It worked really precise. It saves you so much time just to cut. And I think this machine is suitable for any workshop. Really useful machine. In the next videos, you're gonna see how I use this machine to cut some stuff. Stay tuned with our channel. I really appreciate your time, friends. Thank you so much. All links about this machine below in description.